Looks like we are live now. Welcome. Welcome, guys. Guys, my name is Ray. Wherever you are on this beautiful planet, welcome. We will look at altcoins today, Ethereum, and all sort of different altcoins. I'm going to be here. I'm early today, so I will be live for a little longer. I will take all your altcoins. We'll do a total analysis on what's going on with the market, with Bitcoin, with everything. Okay. So, let's see. I am live now. Who is in the house? So I keep posting these lives on my YouTube. I usually go really late, but I'm early today because I want my friends from the UK and friends in the United States, Canada to take a look at it. Okay, Bitcoin is in a very pivotal moment where if we don't bounce here, the altcoin will get destroyed to the level where it got destroyed in March. So very important that Bitcoin bounces. Will it bounce? We'll see. In my previous videos, I have mentioned that I want to make sure if I'm live, guys. Okay. In my previous video, I have mentioned how I expected this level, the way Bitcoin's going, it looks like it wants to come down. But if it crosses this path, see, we're getting a bounce right now on Bitcoin. So this gives the ability for altcoins to come out, because all the altcoins are literally waiting. Guys, let me know if I am live, you can hear me properly, and we are good to go. Okay? If you like the content, guys, I come on live daily. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. It helps the algorithm and pushes the video to different people, right? It's the whole idea of me being on YouTube and social media is to spread crypto awareness. You know, I was really scared when I didn't understand crypto, so I want people who are new to crypto or anyone who is like me, but there are a few people, the crypto group is very small right now. We don't have anyone to talk to, so we can build a community where we can talk to each other, exchange ideas, right? And some people have more time than others, so I have a little more time on my hands. So this is what I do every day, right? I do charts. I don't do anything else for a living. This is what I do, just charts. So, I thought I would just share it with people out there, right? Who are confused, scared, like I was when I was new. So this is my way of giving back to people. I'm not able to see any of your comments here, guys. Hold on one second. Let me see what's going on. Okay, now I am. Okay, so let's look at the bigger picture where Bitcoin. You see this, whatever is happening here in this area is exactly what happened here, but in this area right there. We're in this little phase. See this? That's where we are. So if you notice, guys, looking at the bigger picture, right? If you're nervous, I'll show you what Bitcoin does usually, how it moves. Bitcoin moves in 3 cycles, okay? When it starts to move. And it goes down in 2 cycles. When it goes up, it goes in 3 cycles. When it goes down in 2 cycles. So just a little example here. This is the first cycle of Bitcoin. First cycle, go up and go down. Second cycle, and the third, mother of all, the big boy, big bad boy. Right, so once the uptrend starts, it goes up in 3 cycles. Here, the first cycle, right? This was the second cycle. I will enlarge the charts so you get a better idea. 1, 2. So according to my opinion, we are in the second phase, and the third phase is this phase, the big boy. So first, second, and third. So the third phase will start here. And that's how we will go up. Right? And these are the top arcs, right? So if you look closely, how it goes up is the bottom arc, there are 3 arcs as well. It makes 3 arcs at the bottom. 1, 2, and a third big one. Right? So here. 1, 2, and the third one, the big boy. Here's the third one. Right, so here we are on our journey. This is the first one. Then we got the second one here. And we are in the middle of building a third arc. So if you could see this third arc, there's a possibility here that Bitcoin goes down, right? Strong possibility that's possible, right? How low? Depends on, but if Bitcoin goes down, altcoins will get slaughtered. We will have a 2020 March event. Bitcoin goes lower than this level. Here. Lower than this level, man, it'll be carnage. Because altcoins are sitting at a very thin line, where if Bitcoin goes down, say, the way the chart's looking, look at the upside, okay? I have just drawn this randomly. I believe here, if Bitcoin goes up, it will go up to here. Right, that's my target. So $200,000, $300,000. But there's a strong possibility that we may come down here, right? And then gradually. But if we need to avoid the March 2020 event, then Bitcoin needs to bounce right here at this level, because we are on this big trend line here. And if you break this support here and go down, it'll be carnage. Carnage with altcoins. Let me show you what I mean. How far, just look at a few altcoins, how far they can go. Let's look at Ethereum, for example, right? Let's look at Ethereum. So I believe Ethereum is in this so the max, a lot of people are calling that Ethereum will go to $10,000. I don't think right now. We may go, if we are lucky. If we are lucky, then we may go hit 5,000, 5,400, right? If we are lucky. Have to be really lucky. If this thing plays out like this, then Ethereum for now is done. We go down here. If you break this resistance, if Bitcoin goes down, man, it'll be carnage. Here, it'll be carnage. Then where will Ethereum go? Let's see where does this finish. Yeah, $1,300, $1,400. We'll come back to retest this level right here. If this plays out, then if Bitcoin decides to go down, then Ethereum, there's a possibility it may come down like this. But I doubt it that this will happen. I believe this is the arc that we are following, and we will stick to this trend line towards upwards momentum. And Ethereum would hit 5,500 and then consolidate, on this line, right? And then move forward. The last big leg up for Ethereum. Let's look at the bigger picture. Yeah. See, I like to make my arcs tight. A lot of people are expecting that we'll get parabolic, Ethereum run. I doubt that's going to happen. Ethereum feels like it's going to waste some time. right now, see, I feel here we are in the cycle. See what Ethereum did last time. We are here in the cycle. Right here. You see this phase? This is where we are in Ethereum. So we can, we might get that little top. We can get a little toppy here. Like we can go, because the altcoin needs little boost right now. So we can go up a little bit, 5,000, 6,000, and then stick to this line and get really boring. Right? Come down here, and then, the real up leg cycle starts from here onwards. Don't look at 75,000, but what I'm saying is, like, about Ethereum can go between $15,000 to $20,000 from there. If you look, it's forming a new arc. From here, like that. So we would go, depends how low we go on the arc, right? I believe that we will go up to $5,500, $6,000, and then get really boring, stick to this arc all the way down. We can come down to, from this $6,000, $5,500, we can come down as low as $4,000 back again to retest this area, right? Retest, and then we start our journey up to I believe between $15,000 to $20,000. Yeah, that's how I think it will go up. You can see here first. Then we were in the second arc, and now we are building a third arc. That's how it's going to be for Ethereum. This might not be this long of a wait. Yeah, we could be ending by Jan. This cycle would end by Jan. But it gives a little room for Ethereum to go up. When Ethereum goes up, all the altcoins will go up. But I see this arc ends at the bottom of the arc. This bigger arc, right? So if we go up, then we would come dragging to this line and come here back again. So there'll be another 30-40%. It wouldn't be a sudden crash, but gradual up and down, up and down, up and down, and then we go to about I would say $2,700, and from there on we will start this leg up, right? Again, guys, I could be wrong. This is not a financial advice. This is just my opinion. Anything you watch here is just for learning purposes. Whatever I see out there, looking at charts is like looking at art, modern art. Everyone looks at it with a different perspective, right? So, I have an eye for certain things. Different people have a different way of looking at things. I could be totally wrong, right? But this is what this is my journey, how I plan to do my trading, right? Look at this. So how it completed this arc, right? That's how Ethereum did. This was the first cycle, so you know, it's a little different than this time. This time it'll act like Bitcoin. Yeah, there's a strong possibility we may go up and then go down. You know, and everyone will panic when Ethereum goes down to $2,200, $2,500. You know, there'll be chaos. You know, there could be chaos. Looking at Bitcoin, see, if Bitcoin drops, man, altcoins, especially the small cap altcoins, will get destroyed. Look at, say, I'll give you an example of VThor. See where VThor is? It's barely holding on. See, it's barely holding on to the cycle here. If we don't go up here, then we go down to these levels back here. You know, that is another 80%. That is catastrophic. You know, 80% drop in the altcoins. I'm talking about the mid cap and low cap altcoins can drop 50 to 70% from here, right? If Bitcoin does not bounce. Because see here, I'll show you XLM. Let me show you. XLM is a high cap coin, right? But look at what stage XLM is. It looks a little messed up, the chart. Okay. Let me delete everything. Okay. Right. So we are at this level right now. We need to hold this level. If we go beyond this level, and look what's going to happen. We go back to 10 cents right here on this level. XLM. We go back here on this level. So that is another, how many percent drop? So Bitcoin has to bounce here. That's another 50%. That's a high cap coin, guys. Yeah. And dropping 50%, that'll be crazy. So we have to hold this line. And for XLM to bounce here, Bitcoin has to bounce. If Bitcoin does not bounce, this thing will be in trouble. And 10 cents, man, yeah. So I personally expect Bitcoin will bounce. We'll get a brief relief because altcoins are in desperate need of a relief. So this could be any day. This next 1 or 2 days, if Bitcoin does not bounce, it'll be it'll be a nightmare, you know, scenario for altcoins. Okay, so I believe this is what's going to happen. It's not going to be a huge bounce. Bitcoin can bounce to 43, and you know, we are just out of danger. We would come up here, like for example, you know, 40, say 39 cents, and then crash back here, crash back down to 28 cents. That's fine, but we need to get out. This altcoins, look, every altcoin you see is in this position right now. Every altcoin, same chart, man. They want to finish this arc, you know, but if that happens, man, it's nightmarish. G just picked up Bitcoin Cash. Vishal, what's happening? Good morning, bhai. Good morning, brother. ETH already had a pump. Yeah, G. Did you see the Jihan interview about BCH? No, not yet, brother. Caesar, hello and thanks for the video. Sure, brother. Anytime. Anytime. So, we are in a very, very critical period here. If Bitcoin does not bounce, then I see, you know, the same scenario. What happened here? Look, what happened to this? Something like this could happen. Damn it. Hold on. If something real quick don't happen, you're looking at this. This can very well play out. This is XLM. So like this, there are a lot of altcoins like VeThor, you name any altcoin, Bitcoin Cash. Let's look at Bitcoin Cash, for example. We can, how far can we drop down? We can drop down to 380, maybe, yeah, 380, because it will not be lower than this low. So yeah, we can drop to 380. Yeah, so all these gains, you know, all this period, it's just waste of time, man. It's just but there's a strong possibility if Bitcoin does not do anything, if we don't get a bounce, altcoins could be in a serious trouble. But do I believe that will happen? No, I think Bitcoin will bounce. Bitcoin will bounce. We'll get a relief rally, like a small relief. Altcoin needs a desperate relief right now. So we just need a little bounce, and then we can crash back again on this arc. But we need this bounce, little bounce. So I believe Bitcoin will bounce. Yep. Where was Ethereum? Okay, this was Ethereum, right? So imagine Ethereum going down to these levels, you know, these levels back again, coming back down. $2,200. It's 30% drop, almost 28, 30%. I believe we'll go up. First, we go up. If we stick to this arc, then we might go up to these levels, a little bit above the all-time high. Yeah, maybe 4,500, 4,500, 5,000. Right. Okay, Caesar, what altcoins you are into, man? Are you scared? What's coming after this is really bullish for Ethereum. Once we pass this phase, few months, 3 months, I believe we'll be in a very good position. But I was looking at a few other people, talking about Ethereum going parabolic. I don't think so, man. It doesn't look like Ethereum's going to go parabolic anytime soon. So, yeah. Let's look at the altcoins chart. The market cap of altcoins. Look at this, another crypto. This is Origin Trail. Barely hanging in there, brother. Barely hanging in. Yeah, when I look at the altcoin, I strongly believe that we'll get a bounce in Bitcoin. But when you look at Bitcoin, it does not feel that Bitcoin will bounce. Bitcoin wants to go down. Look at this. In my previous videos, I mentioned that. Look at that. We are getting this little bounce, but that is not enough. That is not enough. We need a good bounce here, or else we are going down to these levels. And going back to this level here, 34, 35. It'll be catastrophic, man. That'll be a mother of all dips. If Bitcoin goes down from here and does not hold this level, we are going to get a dip of mother of all dips. Yeah, it's going to be crazy. But looking at the longer term picture, I'm very bullish. But short term, anything could happen. But yeah, there could be, a lot of people, depending on psychology, right? How do you feel? You feel scared, right? I don't think, because we have this thing on Twitter and on YouTube, diamond hands. So they'll be like, okay, diamond hands, okay, let me show you how it works. So the market makers, so they might bring the whole shit down, man. So that next time the strategy don't work, okay, diamond hands, okay, sell your shit, or we'll bring this thing to the ground, right? So yeah, next time people will start taking profits, the moment we hit a little bit, say the market, we go back down here and altcoins gets destroyed. The moment little bounce that we get, everyone's gonna, cash out. So that's the psychology behind it. But yeah, that's what I feel, because everyone has a family and people are putting their life savings. Imagine a 40-year-old man. Like, I'm a 41-year-old guy. I have my kid, my family and everything, right? And they are working, and sometimes they fear of their job, and if they put their whole life savings into crypto, they will panic, right? If they see the portfolio, we are already down, right? in our portfolio, and even that portfolio gets cut into half, yeah, it'll be messed up. So we will get some panic selling, and it'll be a domino effect. It can happen. But yeah, Bitcoin does not look good right now. Does not look good. But I expect we bounce from here. We get out. Bitcoin needs to get out of this pattern. We need to get out and start doing, we need to get out of this arc. Like, get out, then you can come back, right? And then be boring. I'm fine with boring. Just don't go down. Don't go down. Like, go, on this line, but get out of this arc and go boring till November. So, hope for the best, guys. Let me know if you have any questions or concerns. But this next 2 days, 3 days, maybe a week is very critical for Bitcoin. We are getting this bounce, but is this bounce enough, right? We'll monitor the altcoins and see what happens, right? But on long term, I believe the biggest upwards momentum is still left. But it will not be easy, man. Just going up. Next 2 months are going to be the most volatile months of the whole cycle. If you've been in crypto since 1.5 years, 2 years, this 2 months are going to be the most volatile months of the whole life of crypto. So be prepared, okay? So I am prepared for the worst, because I'm putting these charts out there so you understand. Like, you see this new arc is forming, right? And it will seem like everything is ending, we may hit, lower. There could be a long wick that comes down to 20, right? And we go touch this. Anything is possible, guys, okay? Here. See this? So, yeah, it's possible that we may go ahead and touch this last all-time high, right? Because we never touched this all-time high in this crash. We stopped at 30, so we may, come close to touching this. There could be a flash crash or a long wick here, and then the upwards momentum starts to 250, $200,000, $250,000 Bitcoin by May, June. Okay, so brace in for the impact. Whatever happens in this week, it'll be very critical. Okay, I'll see you tomorrow. I go live every day, guys. Okay, I will post these charts. I keep on posting charts on Twitter as well. So if you have any questions, you can ask me on Twitter. On my Instagram, I speak in a different language. There are people from India. Again, I'm spreading awareness. My hometown, my home country, right? Make sure to hit that like button and subscribe, guys. If you find value in the video, make sure to hit that subscribe. Okay, I'll see you tomorrow. Hasta la vista, baby. Don't be scared. Love you all.